Hope turns to despair for a local family who waited more than a year to get word about their loved one, a security contractor taken hostage in Iraq. New tonight, a family member shares details about the man's service to his country. KCTV5's Betsy Webster is live with the story. Betsy?
Well, Brad, that family member is far from healed tonight, but told us she decided to speak publicly because she wanted people to know that John Young was more than just a casualty. The official announcement came today from the FBI that his remains were found.
The yellow ribbon on Melanie Gustin's door is much like her spirit. Worn and weathered in the 16 months since her cousin's disappearance, that symbol of hope is now wrapped in black. But she says it will stay up until he comes home.
Obviously, we're all very distraught. This isn't the outcome we wanted, but we are so very grateful we are getting him back. It would have been worse if we wouldn't have been able to get him home.
The last time John Young's family saw him alive was in this video that surfaced in January of 2007, showing him followed by 4 fellow hostages who had been working with him in Iraq as private security contractors.
He could find humor in absolutely anything, and he had the greatest laugh.
Melanie Gustin says John was the closest thing she had to an older brother, an Army Ranger in his younger years. She says an injury kept him from re-enlisting later on in life.
That was really crushing to him because he found it such an honor to serve his country, and this was the other way that he could do that.
Meanwhile, the fate of his captured co-workers remains unknown, and though John Young's family is frustrated with still so many unanswered questions, they say they understand it will take time.
We don't want to risk anything else for any of the other families.
The FBI says Young's remains were found with those of a contractor from a different company who was taken hostage 2 months after Young and his co-workers were kidnapped. Gustin says she hopes to have more details available tomorrow. Reporting live from FBI headquarters in Kansas City, Missouri, I'm Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.